Hey America, are you passionate about making a difference? Dreaming of starting your own nonprofit but worried about the legal maze ahead? You are not alone. Before we reveal how you can form a nonprofit with ease, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about topics designed to help save you time and money. Did you know that every year, tens of thousands of Americans decide to start a nonprofit, but many get stuck in the complicated web of government paperwork? It can be slow, confusing, and a real buzzkill for your dream project. But here is the good news. Welcome to legalregistration.com. Our experts are here to help. After all, they represent the #1 third-party organization in the USA providing nonprofit formation services. They have helped countless business dreams like yours come to life without the hassle. With us, you do not have to worry about legal jargon, government delays, or making mistakes on crucial forms. We have got years of experience and a dedicated team that knows the ins and outs of nonprofit formation. Why struggle with bureaucracy when you can focus on what really matters? Your mission, your community, and the change you want to see in the world. Let us navigate the maze for you. Just visit legalregistration.com. Or you are welcome to call our formation experts at 877-955-7111. Also, in which state will you operate your new business? Drop a comment below and let us know your exciting plans for the future. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so you can stay updated about important information designed to protect your time and money.